beauties, welcome back. I've got a beautiful colour blocking one for you this time. So I have done all of my cuticle work on my extremely bad eczema ridden fingers and I've already done my clear base. I did try to record a video of doing my clear base, but I went off the camera so much trying to do it that it just wasn't really viable to use. So I'm just showing you the set instead. So sorry about that, but I will get one out to you soon. I'm using here the brand new colour, the brand new core powder from Glitterama. It is called Ballet Shoes. It is absolutely beautiful to work with and it is a beautiful colour. It tends to go with just about every skin tone so far. Really pleased with it, really pleased. So if you don't have some of that already, you definitely need to get your hands on some. So I am doing colour blocking on the pointer finger and the ring finger. So I'm just doing like an extended nail bed on the pointer, and then it's just like a small circle to start the wave type nail that I did on the ring finger. Middle finger, I'm using deep plum to do the bottom half. I'm doing an ombre on this one. And then I put a bit of Mystic Muse over the top of the deep plum just to give it a little bit of a sparkle. Now I don't show you the rest of the ombre because you've seen me do an ombre like probably in every video now. You know how they go. I will pop one in above right here. So if you want to have a look at ombre, a close-up, you can do. But I just used the ballet shoes just to do the cuticle bead and blend that over. Nothing special. And I left the cuticle beads on these colour blocking nails to dry, and then I used my 180 file as usual to make them nice and crisp. And that's where I'm coming in with the second colour on this one, and this is Deep Plum. And then once I've got that in where I need it to go, I will leave that to dry before I file that ready for the next colour again. And in with the second colour on my pointer. This is Mystic Muse. It is a acrylic glitter mix. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. Go buy it now. Leah 5 for a discount. If you want to see more of these videos, more of my nails is coming up. Well, clients' nails generally, not my own. This is the first time I've done myself, I think. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's really hard to stay in camera. But yeah, just subscribe and tap the bell. If you can hear any noise in the background, that would be my very noisy 3-year-old son. He doesn't like mummy doing any work, ever. And yes, I am showing you all 5 nails, woo! This is Deep Plum I'm using on my thumb. Very carefully getting it right into my skin there, like an idiot. Because, you know, scrape it out, it'll be fine. All that monomer, I'm surprised I've not had some mass allergic reaction. So yeah, I do end up doing like a glitter fade over the top of this from the tip, but you will see that shortly. And on my little finger, I am doing a full coverage of Mystic Muse. Beautiful. And then I ran out of monomer, so I had to stop the video, fill up my pot and then start recording again just to finish off one little nail. Ugh. And after I filed the deep plum on my ring finger, I then went in with my next colour, which is Mystic Muse, of course. Splattered that around where I wanted it, tidied it up a tad, and again leave that to dry before I file the edge of it nice and crisp for the next one. And then finishing off the last colour on my pointer, and of course deep plum, just to finish that one off. And here we are finishing off my ombre type blend, kinda ish, glitter fade ish, yeah, you know. And then I've filed that part nice and crisp again. The next colour is coming in and it is Ballet Shoes. And then there is one last colour to go on the end. Got to wait for this one to dry. So if you want to see a different kind of colour blocking, I will pop in a card above here, which is for kind of like a braided nail. The last bit of colour on this one after it dried and I filed it is deep plum, and that's to finish off the set. And then I done my ombre on my little finger blend, and then I capped them all, filed them all nice and neat and tidy, ready for top coat. So as always, thank you for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I did making them, and I will see you in the next one. Ta-da!